Today we will be making Sambal Ikan Bilis, but this Sambal Ikan Bilis we will be using coconut into our sambal. When you add coconut, it becomes more tasty. So let's go through the ingredient. We have 3 onions, 2 large and 1 small onion, and then 10 garlic. We have serai around 3. We have dried chilies which have already soaked, around 15 chilies, and coconut around 650 liter of coconut. This is not very thick coconut. This is slightly diluted a bit. And then the ikan bilis. We have 3 packets of ikan bilis. So we'll start off to fry the ikan bilis first. So I already heat up the oil. So we'll put the ikan bilis. We'll cook all the 3 packets of ikan bilis before we make the sambal. So we cook the ikan bilis until it's slightly brown. We only put a little bit of oil. So it's best to cook the ikan bilis without washing it because it will be more crispy. If you wash the ikan bilis, then it won't be so crispy. So take note of that. Okay, now we can take out the ikan bilis. Now we have fried the 3 packets of ikan bilis. It's roughly around 240 grams. So after frying this, now we will blender all the ingredients. We'll put one of the serai inside. It will give you a nice flavor. Chili, dry chilies. Adding water. Now we'll add the grinded ingredient in the hot oil. We'll use the balance oil of the ikan bilis, the anchovies, to fry this ingredient. So we need to cook this until there's no more water. We'll add in 2 teaspoons of sugar. 1 teaspoon of salt, and let this ingredient to boil. Let the chili is properly cooked. So it will take around 10 to 15 minutes. This point of time is very important to cook the chili well. If you want to get good sambal, the chili have to be well cooked, and after that the process is very fast. So only at this time you have to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. So we'll wait until the chili cooks. While it's boiling, you stir the ingredient, the chili. We'll wait another 10-15 minutes. While the chili is boiling, we put in the serai, so it will give a flavor. And since it's going to splash a lot, so I will cover it and let it cook. And check on it every now and then. Now you can see it has reduced in volume. So now is the time we'll put the coconut. another 10-15 minutes until it dries up. So when you put the coconut, the chili has been cooked again, and this will give you a very nice flavor once it's cooked. So just have to be patient to cook sambal, and we'll cover it and let it cook. The coconut is really boiling, but it's still not ready yet. We have to let this reduce, then only it's ready, then we can put the ikan bilis inside. Have a look at the sambal. You can see oil coming up. That is a good sign. That means the sambal has cooked well. And this is where we add in the ikan bilis. Now it's done. I'll dish out in a bowl. So this is your sambal ikan bilis. Do try it. It makes a lot of difference by putting coconut inside the sambal ikan bilis. It tastes better. So that's all for now.